We'll guide you through how to make a shadow in Pixlr. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adding a drop shadow can make images look more realistic, professional, and visually appealing. In your desktop menu, type Chrome in the search field. Click to open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀.com. Press enter. Wait for the website to load. Click Pixlr. Next, click Open Image and select the file you want to edit from your device. Wait a moment for the image to fully appear on the canvas. Open the Layers panel and confirm that your image layer is unlocked so it can be edited. Then, choose the Magic Wand selection tool and click on the object you want to apply a shadow to. After selecting the object, go to the Filter menu at the top, scroll down, and click Drop Shadow. The Drop Shadow settings window will appear on your screen. Set the direction to control where the shadow falls relative to the object. Adjust the distance to move the shadow farther or closer. Increase the blur to soften the edges of the shadow for a more natural look. Modify the opacity to control how dark or transparent the shadow appears. Choose a suitable shadow color based on your design needs. Then slide the distance slightly down and raise the blur for a smoother effect. Adjust the opacity to around 30 to 70% for balanced visibility. Click Apply to confirm the shadow effect. View the result on the canvas and evaluate its appearance. If the shadow is not strong enough, duplicate the layer to intensify it. This will make the shadow thicker and more noticeable. Adjust the settings again if necessary to refine the outcome. Check the shadow position to ensure it looks realistic and aligned with the light source. Finally, save or export your edited image in your preferred format. Make sure to choose the correct file type such as JPEG or PNG depending on your intended use. You can also adjust the quality settings during export to balance file size and clarity. Once finished, close the editor or continue editing additional elements if needed.